This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's a thrill to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over another strumming pattern that works well for 5/8 time. We'll be using the 2+3 configuration. So in the last video, I explained 2+3 versus 3+2 with 5/8 time. So we're going to be working on a strumming pattern that works really great for 2+3 here in this video. Of course, after we've worked on this strumming pattern a little bit together, we'll jam on a couple songs, you, me, and the band using this strumming pattern. So it's going to be super fun. This video does accompany lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we'll be on page 88 as we're working on the strumming pattern, and then we'll also do a song on page 94. Okay, so let's take a look at this strumming pattern. So as we learned in the last video, we have the 2+3 eighth note configuration with 5/8 time, or the 3+2. So we have 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 when we're doing the 2+3 option. So what we have here with the strumming pattern is a little 16th note, 8th note, 16th note. So this is our 2+3. We're going to do down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up for this first one, and then the second group of eighth notes will go down, up, down. So it goes down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And you can practice that just with those muted strings as much as you need to. Of course, once you get that happening, it's great to start plugging it into a chord progression. One of the songs that we'll be playing uses A, D, and E7. So let's just practice it a little bit here together, doing A, D, E7, and A for a chord progression. We'll do one time per chord, so one measure per chord. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. 1 2 1 2 3. Of course, you can practice that at multiple tempos as much as you need to. I'm going to slow it down just a hair. 1 2 1 2 3. And now I'm going to speed it up. So 1 2 1 2 3. So that's how that goes. So now that I've gone over that, we're going to go ahead and jam together on a couple songs using this strumming pattern. You can practice it as much as you need to just by muting those strings and then working through a little exercise like the one I demonstrated here that hopefully we were able to do just a little bit together. But it'll also be really helpful to jam along with me and the band using this strumming pattern. So we're going to do song number 5 there on page 88. It's a familiar chord progression, so it makes it kind of easy as we work on this new challenging strumming pattern kind of thing that we got going on here. So we'll play number 5, and then we'll go over to page 94, and we will do number 11. So we're going to do number 11. The song that we'll be playing will be using chord progression number 11. Each one of these will happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So you can work it at that slower tempo. If you need to, mute those strings and just work on the strumming hand. Try to get that feel comfortable. Then you can worry about adding in those chords. Okay, it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these songs. Okay, I hope this is fun for you. I hope it's helpful. In the next video, we're going to do a strumming pattern for the 3+2 configuration that we use in 5/8 times. So that'll be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.